Hello, I'm Dazi, GIS Technical Account Manager at what3words. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add what3words extension to MapInfo Pro. First of all, you need your what3words API key and you need to download the MapInfo extension from our developer tutorial page. Let's start by adding the what3words extension to MapInfo Pro. Click on Home, open MapInfo Pro and select Home ribbon and click on the Tool Extensions button to load the what3words extension. The Tools window should now appear. Click on Options and from the drop-down select Registered Tool. From the window that appears, select the .mbx file for the extension and give the extension a name. Click OK. The tool should now appear under the Registered Tools. Hover your mouse over the tool and you'll see the option to load the tool, and you can select to whether auto-load the extension when MapInfo opens. Let's click and load the extension. The extension should now be available at the top ribbon. Once loaded, the new ribbon item should appear as what3words in the tools. Click Settings on the what3words ribbon to add your API key. The extension provides a map tool for interrogating the map to discover what3words addresses, a search to find what3words address, and lastly, SQL function to convert to and from coordinates. Click Display what3words address to provide a tool to click on the map and display what3words address of a location. Clicking the Search for Address opens a window and allows you to search for what3words addresses. Let's put in field count soap and select Search. And that's how you add what3words extension to MapInfo Pro. Thanks for watching.